So now I made a confirm password. Once I made the confirm password, I got this. Okay. After confirm password, what you need to add, ma? Tell me. You need to add email ID, right? So copy this, put saying that email, and in the text box type, you can say email. There is a type of input is email. Refresh. This is how you have to build the form. And you need to have one more called gender. Okay, here what you will do, you will have gender, and here you can say radio and male. You can copy this male radio and say female. Right? Now refresh. You see, I got a male and female here. I got a male and female here.
Yes.
So what I did, I simply used radio. But sir, when I click male, I can also click female. Both are connected. Both are not connected together. So I want to make connection. You should have a property called group. In this property, you say gender. Okay, now copy the same group, gender. Now, when you refresh, when I select male, you cannot select, oh, group property. Name attribute. There is a name called name attribute. See, when I select male, it will not select female. When I select male, female, it will not select male. Either one you can choose. Now you can have one more called other. Now you see here, changes are happening. Jai Krishna, Jai Shri, Stravani, Sumana. Are you able to see the changes?
Yes.
Hello? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is how you have to create a stuff. Okay. Now, sir, I want to have a qualification which is in the drop down. So what you need to do? You need to have a one more TR tag. People will ask you to implement qualification. Right? In that, you need to have select okay, there you can say option, say graduate, under which you have to say one more option, postgraduate. Right? Under which you can have option doctorate. Right? Now you go to your screen. You see? You got it or not?
Yes.
Always have option here saying that select qualification. Okay, now refresh. You see, you can choose doctorate, you can choose anything. So I understand how to handle gender, how to handle qualification. Now, what is the next thing we have? Tell me. A
Address.
person address. Forget about address. For address is basically a multi-line text box. Now adding a one more, saying that what to say, place, right? Here you can say list hyphen item. I can say select the place, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune. Okay, now refresh. You see you have a place, but okay. So you have to use the same select type equal to multiple. When you say select type equal to multiple, it will become a list. Why, man? Hold on a second. List input list in HTML. Sorry. Ah, okay. So basically, you have to say here, select and say multiple. Now you see, you got it? Hello, say yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So once you've done that, what you need to do, you need to have a button. How to become a button? Take, copy, say here, input type equal to button, value equal to submit. Do I need two TDs? Not required. I remove this. And I'm going to use input type equal to button, value equal to clear. Here you have to say call span to. Now you got that? Both submit and clear. And align center. Now you got it? You got the form?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
sir,
sir.
the padding and sizing is not proper. So what you need to do, under table tag, under TD, you need to have a sizing. So how you have to implement sizing? Table tag, TD tag, TR tag, padding, 10 pixel. What raw? Okay. Ulta done. Now you got the padding? You got
Yes,
the
sir.
padding in the form or not? See, blue color is not good, right? Are you able to, is it okay to go with the blue color or some color we can choose? Let us do one thing. This looks good. Now it is okay, right? Form is good.
Yes, sir.
This is how we need to build the employee form. Now, go and remove the border. How was it? Anybody have any questions? Answer. I want to make border radius should be 15%. Border radius 15 pixels. Now see, it looks like a form. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Ravani, Jayashree, Somana,
Yes,
you
sir.
all understand how it is happening? See, and then this employee form is not properly hidden. So what you need to do, go back to the input tag.css, say, hash container h1, say padding 10 pixel. Looks good. Simply say, instead of employee form, you can make this as employment form. Right? This is how we have to do. But the same thing you need to apply in your project which we built it on a single page. Do you remember? Here we need to add enquiry. Here you need to add a href hash enquiry. Okay, you say enquiry. And sir, I want to have a mobile number also. I got email ID, I got a confirm password, I got everything, but I never got any email phone number, right? Go back to the input tag example. Before email and confirm password, use type equal to number. Now refresh. Here, if you enter any value, it will not accept. It will only accept numbers. Okay? You understand? I can give 9962079612. It will work. Or I can give 77037273511. It will work. So you have to say phone number. Okay, now refresh. You see, I got the phone number also. Sir, in the enquiry, I want a student name, phone number, and email ID. I want to build a form. So how to build the form in this enquiry form? In the input tag of sample web page. Anyone can tell me what to do? I have to do here. I have to use div and ID equal to enquiry. Right? Now go copy this. Go to this CSS, add hash enquiry. Width equal to 600 pixel first, and then background linear gradient, 45-degree, chocolate, comma, brown, comma, chocolate, and then color equal to white smoke. Okay. Now in the input, in the sample web page template, I can have h1 tag, make an enquiry. Right? Now go take this sample web page template. You see, I got to make an inquiry. I got to make an inquiry or not? Say yes or no.
Yes.
But sir, I don't want to use this CSS. It's a CSS. The design, I don't want this background. Okay. Now save this. Refresh. You see, I got to make an inquiry. So how this one has happened? This one. Okay. Use section container. Sample web page. Class equal to section container. Okay. But how come it is not 50%? Okay, let it be section container. Copy. Width, align. Center. Okay, I will do this one later point of time. How to make an align center. No, no, no. Not align center. What is the one we have to use? Margin. Auto. Now see, you got the inquiry form. Say yes or no. Jayashree. Jayashree. Sumana.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see that? Now here,
Yes.
what I'm going to do, I'll take this my entire input table, copy this table here, copy here. I'm going to make this table. Now, if you go and refresh, you see, I got everything. I got everything or not? Say yes or no. You got the entire inquiry form here.
Yes.
But sir, it is not properly center aligned. Why? Because in the input tag style, you have to apply these things. Copy this. Go to sample page design. Paste it. Now go refresh. You see, you got everything as perfected. Now here, I don't want everything in my sample web page template. I'm removing qualification. I don't want qualification. I don't want place. Okay. I don't want gender also. I don't want password, email also. I want email, phone number. I don't want password and confirm password also. So only I want name, phone number, email, and say submit. Now, if you go and see, you got an inquiry. Now, if you call inquiry, it is coming. If you go back to fullstack.net, it is coming. Now scroll down, you go and make a contact us, it is coming. Now here, if you call inquiry, it is coming. Why the inquiry is not having a space here? Simply you go in the sample web page, use, copy the entire stuff, go down, here you can add. Now refresh, you see, you have inquiry, you have contact us, you have full stack, you have men stack, you have everything. Now you can also make an inquiry. Now you got it. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm? Sir, I don't want this much width. Let me reduce the width. What to do? Instead of 600 pixel, I'll make it as 400 pixel. That's good, right? This goods? Same up.
Yes,
So the idea behind is creating forms, collecting the data is this like this. Okay. So this one you can learn from the forms attribute. First, what you need to do, you create a div name container. Okay. In this container, you are applying the CSS, saying that background width of the div. When you make the div should be center aligned, you have to use margin auto, and you have to put a box shadow, border radius, and everything done. After that, you can have padding, and you can put padding of 10 pixels. This Vardhana and everything will be directly inherited from the UI. Okay. So are you able to do this design today as a practice? Can you send me today? Will you able to do it?
yes,
Hmm?
yes, sir.
Okay. You do this. Tomorrow I can go with the other concept. Anybody have any questions? Jai Krishna. Jai Krishna. Jai Krishna. Please unmute. Shravani, Sumana.
Sir.
Can you do this and send me? Sumana? Okay. Can you do that? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. I'll upload this within 10 to 15 minutes. It will be available. Okay. With the code as well. Thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow.